Hello guys, thank you for joining me on my masterclass today. In this tutorial video, I am going to show you just simple thing on how to clear these horizontal and vertical lines in your trading view. There is these horizontal lines here. If you can look, there is a line here and a line here. Now if you want to clear this line, first of all I have to remove all these indicators, and so this is my chart, and I want this chart to be plain. I want it to be plain so that I can be able to analyze anything I want to analyze. So first of all, you just right click and you come on settings. You click settings, then you see this place, the vertical green lines and horizontal green lines. You click on it and you draw it out. You see, can you see that what's happening in the chart? Now you scroll it down, the lines will remove. Then you click on the vertical lines. If I scroll up like this, you will see the vertical line showing up. Then I scroll up, down, I close the vertical lines. Now I have a plain view on my chart. You can see that here. I now have a plain view on my chart. If I want to close this thing here, this volume that are showing below, I can close these volumes as well. I don't want them to show again, so I can just close these volumes. And how do you close volume? You tap on this, you can see hide at the top. You tap on it. Now I don't have any volume again in my chart. I can now analyze simply. My chart is now plain, everything is showing well. I can draw my trend lines. I can now draw my lines. I can now draw my horizontal line. You can see everything is just like I am drawing I'm just working on a sheet paper. This is so good, guys, and you need to do it by yourself. So thank you for watching. This is just a simple tutorial videos on how to clear horizontal and vertical lines on your trading view. Thank you all.